Urai is a small town in the state of Uttar Pradesh in northern India with a population of 1.8 lakhs, and the major occupation of people in Urai is agriculture. It belongs to one of the 34 districts in Uttar Pradesh currently receiving funds from the Backward Regions Grant Fund program. Fountainhead was born out of the desire to provide high quality education and exposure to students in rural India. Having worked in the education industry, I realized that education in India needed a change from rote-based teaching and learning methodologies to experience-based teaching inside the classrooms. What we teach at Fountainhead and the way we teach is that the students themselves collect the information, process it, use their brains on it, and themselves reflect and act on the information to reach the solution. Such an education, I believe, is long-lasting, lifelong. Mathematics at Fountainhead is not taught in isolation. Children learn concepts by connecting them to their life. Abstract mathematical concepts are taught through various activities by which children learn easily. Right angle होते हैं
90 degrees
equal to 90 degrees. Which angle is this?
right.
By learning concepts through activity, students automatically infer the facts related to a concept, which in a normal class are simply told by the teacher.
Which angle is this? Obtuse angle. Which angle is this? Straight angle.
5 into 3 is equal to?
15.
So 5 is added?
3 times.
Children finding out the fact that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition by an activity of means. 5 threes are?
15.
What is the difference between square and rectangle?
स्क्वायर की 4 साइड इक्वल होती है और रेक्टेंगल की 2 साइड फ्रंट की इक्वल होती है.
Correct. So today we are going to study about air and properties of air. That air occupies space, and we will do a small experiment to understand that air occupies space. What is the difference between these two balloons? In science, our main aim is to help the child critically examine scientific phenomena in the surrounding and in their own life. This is achieved by getting students excited about knowing things and doing things. Whether the child experiments in the classroom or blows air into the balloon or watches the steam rising from boiling water, the whole idea is to help the child critically examine things happening around him. That's how science comes alive in Fountainhead.
The amount of water is decreasing in every glass.
I believe if we can provide one moment of inspiration to every child each day, we can make a big difference to this world.